Hi, my name is Boris and welcome to Cosmic Trading. And today we're going to check the weather on AMD, Nvidia, SMH, and SPX. Let's start with AMD real quick. If you remember from my last video, I said this blue line would hold as support and would have a nice little bounce, which we did, but unfortunately the market went back down quickly, so we dropped a nice 9%. That sucks, but good news is currently we are using this downtrend gap 1 as support, and if this fail, then we're probably gonna use this white line as support again, which is another down 5%. So if you're holding on to AMD like I am, this is what to look forward to. Let's move on to Nvidia. Nvidia has had a pretty bad week this week, but some good news is we're currently using this trend as support. And the other good news is we haven't touched gap 2 on this downtrend line. And usually if we're gonna do a full-on next leg down, we usually touch gap 2 before we do a full next leg down. But that's like it's not a rule, it's more like observation. That's why I use the word usually. But if Nvidia were to drop from here, our next support is this blue and purple line, which is another 3 to 5% on the downside. Now, if the market recovers, we got a nice at least 10% to the upside. All right, let's move on to SMH. Now, this yellow trend line, we used it multiple times as support, but clearly we have failed. And we went back to gap 2 uptrend line, which we seem to be still kind of using, but without hacking actually it shows like a full breakdown. So if we were to continue to go down further, we have another 2.5 to 5%. Oh, this white line, I totally forgot I drew this white line. So this white line, I drew it around this time, August 24, because we used this as a major support line twice already. If the semiconductor market were to drop another 5%, I don't think it's gonna go lower than this. So this is looking good. I am ready to buy more of this dip. I don't care if I have to keep on leveraging, I will. Because at the end of the day, you can tell me AI is doubling every 6 months, yet the semiconductor industry is down by, the market is down 26% for the past 9 months. So to me, that's like buying opportunity, and I'm not gonna miss the dip. Not this time. I don't care how much leverage I need to leverage. I'll figure it out. But yeah, if we use this trend line as support, we have another 9 to 11% on the upside. Now let's move on to SPX. All right, the market was doing a pretty nice recovery, but we were using this blue trend line as support, and then it failed miserably. So now let me try the uptrend for this current wave. If we use this as support, we're gonna have a nice couple green days in this week. But if this fails, then we have another 0.5% to 2% until we reach this major support area. Because remember, we use this support area right there. So if we touch it again, probably bounce off of it again, because we're down about almost 10%, which doesn't seem like a whole lot, but for the S&P 500, it's quite decent amount. So right now, I'm pretty sure the market is ready to start ramping back up a little bit, or maybe it's just me. And also, let's see where we got rejected on this downtrend. So we got rejected by the level 2. Well, that explains a lot. All right, if you're trading any of these stocks, I wish you the best. This week's gonna be very exciting. Whether you're betting up or down, it's gonna be fun. Anyways, that's it for me for tonight. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.